Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with another 4 outfits that I was inspired from my Pinterest board to recreate using my own wardrobe. These videos are like by far my favorite videos, and part of me thinks I feel like a fraud because I'm kind of like, is it like saying you're like a chef but following someone else's recipe? I don't know. Either way, I don't care. I love it. I think it's such a fun way to get inspiration in a world that's constantly talking about buying new, buying new, buying new. And this just kind of helps remind you what you have. So without further ado, I have 4 outfits that I can't wait to style. Very fall. I mean, you can tell from the color palette over here, very neutral. I don't think I have a single like bold color. I don't. But I think it's going to be fun. So you know the drill. I take my photo, I show you, and then we recreate and chitty chat and recreate the outfit. So let's start with look number 1. I think this is so cute. Just very like classic, basic, standard, great. Nothing crazy, but together looks so good. Just a crisp white button up. I think this is really cute. I don't typically wear heels, but if I do, they're a cute little sing back like this. So yeah, let's see if I look as chic as she does. Okay, let's jump into look number 1. I'm gonna put on my Goldie 90s pinch. I think these are gonna look cute with like a little pointed toe. I also know that my sourdough alarm is gonna go off any minute, so I may have to break for some stretch and folds, but you know, such is life. I'm also having one of those days that like nothing food-wise sounds good to me, but I'm just like ravenous and eating just like crap, and then I'm always just like hungry. I don't know, I'm just like a hungry girl today. Mr. Scout is actually joining us for the video. I don't know if you can see him. He's got his little tootsie toes crossed. He was sunbathing all downstairs when I was filming my last video, but today, or right now, he decided to join us. It's cute, even though he's been so sick the last couple days, huh, boo-boo? All right, let's pop on a little white button up. I'm realizing I never put deodorant on. That's embarrassing. At least I was in my own house. It wasn't like I could smell myself. I just was like, oh yeah, I took a shower. And then I was like, oh yeah, I didn't put deodorant on. I didn't put deodorant on after I got out of the shower. So, okay, she has hers like very loose and undone and unbuttoned. I want to get a larger button up. I've been looking at this one from J. Crew that I was recommended to check out. So we'll see if I end up getting that one. But I have, hey boo-boos, the little slingy backies, which I think are gonna look cute with these jeans. I think they're gonna be like the perfect amount of like cropped with them, if that makes sense. And these are just good. There's something about jeans and a white tee or a white button up that just, and heels that just do everything. It's giving very much like corporate off duty. They have to be like good jeans, you know what I mean? They have to be like a good quality, good fitting pair of jeans. Oh, now I went up too high. It's like I want to be low enough where you can like see my shoes, but once I put on heels, I'm like tall. So anyway, next up is just a little black sweater over the shoulders, and that's literally all she's doing, and she looks adorable doing it. I blew out my hair today, but I didn't have like the patience to do my bangs like in a good way, and I don't know why I don't just take the time, because they just annoy me for the rest of the day, and then I just end up tucking them behind my ears, but you know, whatever. If you're a blonde and you've ever like gone to a new hairdresser or whatever, just like in general, even if you go to your same hairdresser and you know what she knows what she's doing and she does it, whatever, that moment when you get out of the chair from the sink and you go to the styling and they're like blow drying it and it still looks dark because it's like wet, you know? It's called anxiety to the max. Anyway, this is it. Cute. I like it. Basic, plain. Can you see my feetsies? Okay, I'm also considering throwing away my plant to whoever hates my plant. I'm considering it because it's, she's seen better days. I just have hope, you know? Endless amounts of hope. Anyway, this was look number 1. I think I could have gone with more of like an oversized, baggier shirt would have been better, truly. But that's about it. I think hers is just more oversized and looks like a little bit less done, but Still super cute. So this was look number 1. Let's move on to look number 2. Okay, look number 2 has reminded me that I have 0 turtlenecks, except for this one that I just recently got. But I love this. Honestly, I feel like turtlenecks can just be a lot, honestly. And I felt like with short hair, it was just like too much, like all right here, way too much. So we're gonna see if I can pull this off. I know I have longer hair now, and I'm starting to get into it, but I gave away all of my turtleneck sweaters. So this is all that I have. It's like a sleeveless option, but I think it will get the job done. So yeah, let's see how I do with look number 2. Off with the hills. All right. You and your well crisscrossing feet. Why are you so cool, handsome pantsoms? Why are you so cool, handsome pantsoms? This weekend, Arlo and Scout have a very loving brother relationship, if you will, but bothering each other. Like Scout loves to Arlo loves to bother Scout. Scout is so patient, and then eventually Scout's like, all right, you want to play? Let's play, bro. So he's like nipping at Arlo's clothes and stuff while he's like running around, and it's just the cutest thing. So Arlo had wearing pajamas all day yesterday because such is life. It was a rough day. And so Scout just like grabs Arlo by the butt of his PJs that were like stretched out from wearing all day, and he was giving like copper tone baby, and it was so cute. All right, I'm done. I'm going to throw on a little turtleneck sweater thing, and then oh wait, I'm not going to. I need to go do my first set of stretch and folds. BRB. All right, little tank turtleneck. I'm telling you, I don't know what it was. I just hated turtlenecks for a while. I don't know if I'm like fully sold on bringing them back. They're kind of suffocating. They're kind of a lot, but anyway. Now let's put on these Zara jeans, which I don't actually know if they fit me anymore. But we're gonna try. They fit, but they tight. But honestly, when I think about it, I don't know if they ever weren't tight, but they're just full tighter. Okay, and now she has some, the reason I'm wearing these is because they're kind of like a wide leg kick thing, but see how, what I don't like about these is they like accentuate my thigh, because then they like suck in because they're still so tight here. If they like kicked out like a little bit higher up on the widest part of my leg, then we would be in a better place, but they don't. So either way, I really like them, so I either need to size up in another pair, or yeah, something, because I like don't wear them very often. There's a lady who literally always parks right back here, and she must think I'm nuts, but I am. Jokes on her. So I like never wear my Converse anymore. I don't really know why, so let's put these on. Her pants, now that I'm looking at it, aren't like insanely wide leg. Well, we're committed. I got 30 minutes before my next stretch and fold, so I'm gonna have to hurry Arlo at the park today, because Mama's gotta do some stretching. Anyway, okay, now, next up, she has hers tucked a little bit. Oh, girl, she tucked, okay, barely. Now, I have this little coat that I picked up from H&M. It says it's not the same color, but that's okay. Hers is more tonal. Like I said, I don't have it. Oh wow, this feels really weird having like this touch your sleeves versus not the rest of your body. It just feels interesting. Okay, I feel as though, let's go with these sunnies. I'm not mad at this outfit. I think it's cute. I love this little coat. I think it's adorable. It's precious. Precious. It's just a good little like throw on kind of coat. I think we achieved very much the same look. And I like, honestly, the not so bulkiness of this. You can wear this like when it's not so cold out, because it's sleeveless. It's cute. It's cute. It's not my favorite. These pants aren't my favorite, but I think I could go with a different pair of pants that I'd probably like a little bit better. But like I said, these just hit me at a weird angle, but nonetheless cute. Let's move on to look number 3. Okay, look number 3 is gonna be my favorite. It just is. It's like all my basic staple pieces that I love so much all put together. So cute. I think it's fun to style white jeans into the fall and winter. I don't know as I ever have in the past. I never really loved white pants before, except for linen pants, which those kind of are like a spring summer thing. So my Levi 501s, so good in this outfit. I've recreated many outfits from this little lady right here. She's so cute and does really just like comfortable, put together, chic outfits. So see I do with look number 3. Number, who the heck cares? Okay. Oh, this is cute on its own too. Maybe the pants aren't that bad. No, they're that bad, Kelly. They're not bad. All right, look at number 3. We're going to pop on our white Levi 501s, which have been my newest obsession, you guys. I thought I ripped my pants, but it literally is just the stitches I put in them the last time I wore them. Which I think I honestly am cuffing these for this outfit. But I think it's a front cuff, or like an outward cuff and not like an inward cuff. When you know, you know. All right, let's get out of this because I'm sweating. I just always feel like one of those dogs that can't like lick themselves, you know? Like I have a collar on me or something. Slash, I'm being suffocated. Did I pull this out of the hamper even though it needs to be washed and iron it just for this video? Yes, I did. I thought I washed it this weekend, but I guess I didn't. So, anyway, this is huge. It's way oversized. This is an extra large. I would recommend getting a large. We're on to the room. I gotta figure out, I gotta look at the pic. Okay, especially for this outfit because she has it like fully tucked in. This is a good like untuck type of thing, but not a great like tuck in kind of thing. We're gonna make it work. When you know, you know. Okay. I'm just gonna tuck in the front really, because the back will kind of tuck up and then I'm wearing a coat, so it doesn't even matter. I think she has a couple cuffs. Which is cute, very cute. Let's throw in our clogs. You guys, I know like that wearing your shoes in your house is disgusting. But like right here in this exact spot where I'm like constantly filming and trying on my shoes was the dirtiest spot ever. And I know why. It's because I'm over here just strutting my stuff on this part of the carpet with my dirty ass shoes on. So things I do for you guys. Anyway, clogs on, little cuff, cute, cute, cute. Next, a little quince coat, which is good. I think her hair is up. Not that that matters, but excuse put my hair on my face. I love this coat. It looks like way more expensive than it actually is, which, I mean, that's not a reason to love something. I just really do like it though. She has her sleeves cuffed, but like, I'm not doing that with a coat. I mean, I guess I would do that if I'm like hot, but I would just take it off. So this is adorable. I love this. I don't want to take off these pants. They're cute. I love these pants. I'm probably gonna just wear a different shirt with it, but this turned out adorable. I will definitely wear this. It's a good, cute, like, I don't know, good outfit. Love it. I love this coat. I think we nailed it. What do you guys think? Let's move on to the 4th and final outfit. All right, last but not least, look number 4. We have just like the classic, quintessential, I think I've also styled videos from her, denim shirt. You can't go wrong, over a little white tee, and then popping those leopard pants on to just kind of give it a little trend-ness to it. And I love her bag. I have something similar, not the same. I think hers is a Gucci. Mine is not, but I still think it will look really cute and kind of like pop against the overall slightly mundaneness of the outfit. I don't know. I think it'll be fun. So let's see how I do with look number 4. Look number 4. I'm gonna throw on a little white tee. Even though I don't want to take these pants off for the day, I want to keep them on. Let's throw on, I'm keeping on, let's see, those clogs, but we're going to switch because putting on different pants. So let's put on a white tee and our leopard pants. Does anyone else, like when the time changes, still keep like 1 o'clock that time? Just to remind yourself in case you're like tired or whatever in the evening. You're like, don't worry girl, because it's late. I do that for the first like month. I swear it's probably weird. That cheaty pants. These are like my favorite. See, this is how I wish those Zara ones fit, how they're just kind of straight. You know. Okay, she just has her white tee like fully out, but this is such a long tee because it's a men's large that there's just no way I could do that because it would be like down to the floor. Kidding, it would be down to here though. Okay, let's put on our little loafies, or clogs, sorry. She has her hair in like a cute like clip, I think. Or maybe it's a bun, but I can't remember what I used in my hair today, but it smells so good. I can't remember if it was like the leave-in or the, oh, I tried a new conditioner. Could be that. Could be that. Okay. I haven't worn this bag in so many years, and it's still like one of my favorite bags like ever. I feel like this like matches the motif. This is like my bag, and why I love it so much is because I'm such a neutral basic dresser that this just adds like fun. And then nothing more fun than these sunnies to just bring it all together, you know? As the side looks shorter. What do you think? How'd we do? I think we nailed it. Guys, that is it. That is my 4 fall Pinterest outfits that I was inspired to recreate. If you are ever in a fashion rut like myself, check out Pinterest. I swear I just endlessly scroll and I find it so much fun and just so inspirational versus like that, like I said, consumption needing to be constantly buying new things. It helps me create wish lists and hone in on what I'm missing for my wardrobe as well. So as always, I love to know what your favorite outfit was down below in the comments. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I will have everything linked down below though. If there is something you were looking for or need, everything will be linked in the description box down below. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one very soon.